Hi everyone, welcome to our social class. In the last sessions, we discussed about the different maps developed in the different ages, right? And how the Greeks developed the maps, Anaximander and Achates. After that, the Greeks prepared the latitudes and longitudes, right? And how they were prepared the latitudes and longitudes. And who was the first person to use the latitudes and longitudes for making of map? Ptolemy, right? The great Egyptian astronomer used the latitudes and longitudes for preparing of maps. Up to this we discussed in the last class. Yes, I hope you are all understood what we have learned in the previous classes. Now we are going to the next topic in this lesson. Just once we recall what is the name of the lesson? The reading and analysis of the maps, right? In this part, next area. After the Ptolemy's map, he visited so many areas, he wrote so many descriptions. According to that, in the period of 12th century, the Arabs control over the world. The maximum areas controlled by the Arab people. Right? They were ready to conquer over the areas in the world. That time, the great Arab map makers, the great Arab scholars use the Ptolemy books, and to prepare the maps. The great Arab map makers, the great Arab scholars, the great sailors of the Arabian countries try to preparing the maps with the help of descriptions of Ptolemy descriptions. In this area, one of the great person we discuss now, the person Al-Idrisi. What is the name of the person? Al-Idrisi. He was prepared the map for his king. In which year he was prepared the map? 1154. He was prepared the map for his king. And which language he was used to explaining about the map? Arabian language. Arab language he was used to explain the map. And which areas he was shown in the map? He was shown the complete area of the Eurasian continent, Eurasia, Europe and Asia shown fully. Complete area shown in the map. And another one, the Northern Africa he was shown in the map. And which areas he was not shown in the map? South Africa and Southeast Asia areas are not shown in the map. Remember everyone, complete Eurasia area and the North Africa he was shown in the map. Which areas are not shown in the map? He didn't show the South Africa and Southeast Asia. Okay. And what is the importance of his map? It is a great significance in this map. He was shown the north towards the south and the south towards the north. That is the significance. That is the importance of this map. Why he was shown like North Pole is shown in the south area. Southern areas are shown in the north area. What is the reason here? Because he was trying to show his country in the center. That means the Arabia is in the center, remaining all those around the Arabia. That's why the map shown like that. Right? This is the map of Arabians. Once I recall this, Arabians were prepared the maps with the help of descriptions of Ptolemy. And the great Arab map maker Al-Idrisi was prepared the map for his king, and he was shown the Eurasia continent complete and the North Africa. He didn't show the South. Right. In this map, he was shown the complete South Africa didn't shown in the map, and another one the Southeast Asia. Okay, what is the significance of this map? The northern areas are shown in the south, southern areas shown in the north because of the Arabian country shown in the center of the map. And the next one, Chinese. Chinese also prepared the map. First of all, why he was prepared the map? Why he was prepared the map? Why he was prepared for his king? For his king, because of know about their villages, towns, which is controlled by the king, which is under his control. That's why the king forced to the map makers to preparing the maps. And another one, when he was prepared. When he was prepared, 1389 he was prepared the map. 89 he was prepared a map for his king. Okay, next, who was prepared the map? Daming Han Yitu. Daming Han Yitu was prepared the map. Where he was prepared? On the silk cloth. This is one of the important point here. Where he was prepared on the silk cloth. Nearly 17 square meters of silk cloth he was used to make the map. And what is the importance in his map? He was the first person show the southern Africa. Show the southern Africa. That means he was prepared the map from the Indian Ocean side. From an Indian Ocean direction. That's why easily he can show the southern Africa region. This is the important area in this map. Right? This is the map of Chinese. Next, maps according to the Bible. Maps are prepared based on the religious thoughts. According to the Bible, they were designed 3 continents only. 3 continents. What are the continents here? Asia, Africa, and the Europe continents. What is the difference here? Comparatively the other maps, they were shown according to the Bible, Asia is the biggest and supercontinent in the world. Europe and Africa shown very small. That is the difference comparatively the other maps. Why he was shown Asia as a big area or the supercontinent? Because behind these some religious thoughts are there. What is the religious thoughts? Asia is the birthplace of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ was born in Jerusalem. Where the Jerusalem, now it is called as the Palestina. The Jerusalem is located in the Asia continent. That's why they were shown the Asia is the biggest landmass and remaining all those. That's why it was shown Asia is a big landmass. That is the importance of his map. Right? In this continent, in this map, he was shown the Asia is a big. But he was also shown the continent, the total world as a round disc also. This is the important. Here the important area only the Asia shown very biggest area. What is the reason here? Because of the Asia continent is the birthplace of Jesus Christ. Okay, right. These are the maps prepared by the Arabs, Chinese and the. After that, in the 15th century, the 15th century is the age of discoveries. 15th century is the age of discoveries. Because of some new lands are discovered by the European countries. Because of the Arabians control over the southern areas of the Europe. The European people not having the right to reach the India and the other eastern countries through the Mediterranean Sea. This is the particular reason. The European people not entered into the India and other eastern countries, not trade with that countries. The traders are faced so many problems. That's why the kings or the traders are forced to the sailors to discover the new routes to the India and China and Indonesia like eastern countries. This purpose, 15th century, so many European people are discovered some different new lands in the world. That's why it is the age of discoveries. Take example of Columbus, discovered the America, and the Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India. Like the Marcelo Diaz discovered the South Africa, Cape of Good Hope. Like so many people discovering different routes to different areas. Then the world was expanded. You remember, before 15th century, every map shown only some areas of the eastern. Only the Asia, Europe and Asia, African continents only. Anybody shown the America continent? No, because of there is no any information about the America or any other new lands. First time after the 15th century, after the discovering the new lands, the people making the new type of maps. In this area, after the 15th century, the trade was mostly expanded by the European countries into different countries. Take example, in our country, the Portugal people, Dutch people, English people came to India, trade with Indian people at the time of like that Mughals and that time. So here you understand, this time the total trade is totally controlled by the Dutch country. They are gained the power in the trade. So in this time, the Dutch people prepared some new maps, show the overall the world. So here the great Dutch cartographer, what is the name of his person? What is the name of his person? Anybody know? The great Dutch cartographer Gerardus Mercator. What is the name? Gerardus Mercator. He was prepared the world map. He was shown the round shaped earth shown in the flat surface. First time total the earth shown in the flat area. Surface of the area is totally shown in the map. That's why it is called as the projection. It means the round shaped earth shown in the flat area. The surface of the earth are shown in the map. That's why it is called as the projection. The means of projection. One form of article transformed into another form. One form of object is shown in the another form of object is called as the projection. Here, Mercator tried to show the round shaped earth is shown in the map. The total earth surface shown in the map. That's why it is called as the projection. The total name of this projection, Gerardus Mercator projection. What it is called? Gerardus Mercator projection. Right? This is the root of world map. Present we are use very accurate map with the help of Gerardus Mercator projections. First time he was shown over all the earth surface on the map. He was shown over all the continents in the map. Then reminding all those people, next those who are prepared the maps based on the Gerardus Mercator projection. That's why it is more important. He was the first person shown over all the world on the map. Right? That's why it is called as the Gerardus Mercator's projection. Just a small thing here, he was shown the actual directions. He was shown the actual direction and the shape of the continents. He was shown the actual direction. That means where the continents are located, and the shape of the continents is shown in the map. But he was not shown the actual distance. Actual distance of the continents. He was not shown the actual distance of the continents. Just he was trying to show only the shape and the directions where the continents are located. That only he was shown in the map. Later, so many technology, with the use of much technology, we have to use the correct maps. But it is the route map of the world map. Right? This is the Gerardus Mercator's projection. Later, so many people are prepared the maps with the help of these projection, with the help of these